If you've been seeing nonstop ads for EchoFree Tinnitus Drops claiming they can completely eliminate that frustrating ringing in your ears with just a few drops a day, no medication, no doctors, and no therapy, you're definitely not the only one. It sounds like a dream solution, especially for those who've struggled with tinnitus for years, but is it actually legit or just another overhyped supplement? In this video, we take a thorough look into what EchoFree is really offering and whether there's any truth behind the bold claims. Starting with their official site, getechofree.com, it's clear there's a heavy focus on sales with zero actual transparency. There's no proper About Us section, no verified company information, and no legal or regulatory details provided, just flashy marketing promising a miracle cure. They talk about fixing neural pathways and reversing the root cause of tinnitus using natural ingredients, but there's absolutely no credible scientific backing or medical explanation to support these claims. The ingredient list sounds suspiciously vague and unverified, and when we searched for real user reviews, we found none, no presence on Trustpilot, no social media engagement, and nothing but generic testimonials that could have been written by anyone. It's also worth noting that the product is sold through ClickBank, a platform known for hosting questionable wellness products that come and go. While we're not saying EchoFree is an outright scam, there are just too many red flags and not enough real proof to recommend it confidently. If you're still curious about trying it for yourself, the product link is tagged in the video for transparency, but we strongly suggest watching this review all the way through before making a decision. And if you've come across EchoFree ads or have tried the product yourself, drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear your honest thoughts and help others stay informed.